finally natuloy na.
Oo nga, sobrang tagal. And finally, we're all here. Who would have thought na aabot tayo sa ganitong point in our lives also, being part of the volleyball community, diba? Akala natin, maglalaro-laro lang tayo hanggang college, but now we're really legit na pro with all this drafting. So we're just very, very happy for the league itself. We're happy for the players. We're happy for all the siguro owners of the team owners, kasi syempre I think lahat naman tayo magbe-benefit din dito, but ako napaproud ako kasi napaka-successful ng first ever draft ngayong taon, kaya naman excited na kami sa mga magpapadraft ulit next year. We're very excited for all of you, so yun lang.
Thank you so much.
Ano sinabi mo dun sa 24 na undrafted players?
Oo nga, well, I said syempre hindi rin, alam mo yun, we all want them to be part of the community also, and they're still part of the community. Free agents lang ngayon, so I told them this is just a stepping stone for them na para abutin yung mga teams also nila to be part of any teams here in the PBL, and it's just the beginning. This is the first draft, so madami pa sila mga opportunities na mapupuntahan and mag-open sa kanila, so kapit lang, tiyaga lang, and work harder and smarter.
It's just a great opportunity to be able to be part of this team and just be able to learn from other people who have been in winning situations. So hopefully I can bring my talent and my skills to their team and hopefully add to their winning streak.
Okay, are you aware of just how big the fan base of the Green Lightning Smashers is?
Oh yeah, it's definitely a really big fan base, and I'm really looking forward to meeting all the fans and being part of just like one big happy family.
Is there any pressure on your part? You joined the family and you're also joining one of the biggest teams in the PBL.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of pressure, but like my coach back home in Canada said, pressure is privilege. So hopefully, I get to just enjoy this opportunity and deal with whatever comes my way.
You'll be playing in front of your Filipino family soon, so how does it feel to get to play for Creamline and also play in front of your family?
Yeah, it's super exciting. A lot of my family here hasn't been able to watch me play in Canada, so it's definitely a good opportunity for them to be able to watch me live and play professional volleyball here in the Philippines.
You've mentioned before Savvy Davison and Boot Silken. How does it feel that you're going to go against them this time?
Yeah, it's super exciting. I think it's just going to be a good competition on the court, and hopefully get to see them and play against them, hopefully on the court, and just being able to bring my skills.
Ano po, sobrang kinakabahan po ako, tapos sobrang happy ko rin po. Tapos sa tiwalang binigay po sa akin ng Choco Mucho, pinapangako po sa kanila na hindi ko po yung sasayangin.
Bakit pa rin kabalo? Expect mo ba yung first round?
Actually, hindi ko po na-expect yung first round na ako po yung nila, yung nasa first choice nila.
Ang mismo mga magagaling din ng middle blockers, Maddie, Cherry, Edwin. So, ano yung feeling na you get to learn din mula sa mga veterano middle blocker guys?
Actually, sila po yung mga tinitingala ko na middle. Sila po yung mga iniidolo ko since nung nag-start ako mag-volleyball. Sila na po yung mga pinapangarap ko na maka-team or makalaban. Yun na po yung mga middle na yun.
Ano yung nilook forward mong matutunan kay Coach Dante? Kasi alam naman natin from starters to bench, grabe siya magtiwala sa players.
Ano po, gusto ko pong matutunan kay Coach Dante yung kung paano niya po binibigyan ng chance yung mga player niya, tas kung paano po siya magtiwala sa mga players.